Seledet kanan, right seledet. This is the characteristic Balinese eye movement. Measure your fingers from your chin to your collarbone. When you first learn, use your hands to help you. Hold your right hand up to the side as high as your head and the other hand in front of your eyes. Flick your eyes to the right together with your chin, following the position of your right hand. Then flick your eyes and chin back to look at the position of your left hand. Once you've got it, try doing it without the help of your hands.